Hey y'all, so today I'm going to walk you through how I quickly go from this to this. Of course, I'll be using my 14 and 16 inch Koilistic clip-ins from Kinkistry for this look. I've already co-washed and let the hair air dry just so I can have a bit more volume. So I like to start at the back of my head and separate a row of my hair. You can add a clip in for each row or every other row. It really depends on how much volume you want. I love volume, as you all know. So I like to add a clip in per row. As you can see, the clip-ins are super easy to install. This quick look is perfect for when you get that last minute invitation to happy hour. So I'm done for the most part. Just laying down the edges there, and voila, the finished look. Now we're ready to hit happy hour.